Hello, happy Monday from the bus in Nicaragua. Yeah, I feel a bit strange doing this video here. This is how the bus looks like. It's not so crowded right now, and we are even sitting because normally it's like super full when you're just like staying and holding yourself. Yeah, it's funny. I would like this Happy Monday video is all about going out of your comfort zone. I hope you hear me. If not, just watch my face. Yeah, I want to just share like three situations where I had to expand my comfort zone and what I learned about, and also give you some tips how to go out of your comfort zone. This is what I really love about traveling, because there's always something new, some new smells, some new people, a new place, transportation works different, how you behave on the street, and yeah, it's like you always have to, you know, and you need help, you need to ask, it's a different language, and you're constantly like, yeah, you have to go out of your comfort zone, because if not, you're, yeah, maybe be lost. And this is like really interesting, and yeah, it's really nice here. So have the courage to go out of your comfort zone, and have fun, enjoy, and happy Monday.